Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can sign up for Hulu with Live TV. Now, of course, you need to make sure that you have supported devices that you can watch your Hulu subscription through, and I'll link the supported devices page right at the top of the video description. But essentially, your smartphone, your computer, your smart TV, or if you have a device plugged into your TV, such as a Roku, Amazon Fire TV, or a Chromecast, then you should be good to go in terms of getting that Hulu content. Now, there's two different ways that you can sign up for Hulu with Live TV. One is if you don't have a Hulu account or if you already have a Hulu account. So I'm going to start with, if you don't have a Hulu account, go to hulu.com, and I'll also link this website that I'm currently on right at the top of the video description. Scroll down to the bottom, and you should find where it says Hulu plus Live TV, and right now it's $54.99 a month. Just click on Select Plan. And then you need to go through the create account options there. Just fill out all of that relevant information. Click continue. Then you have to enter in your payment information. And then as you work your way through this registration process, at the end, you should be signed up with a Hulu with Live TV account that allows you to access all of that content. Now, if you already have a Hulu account, again, you can also go to hulu.com, and in the upper right-hand corner, click on the menu and then click login. And then, of course, you have to log in with your email and password to your Hulu account. And then once you're on the Manage Your Account page, if you're not currently subscribed to anything with Hulu, then at the top there should be some type of option to either resubscribe or to pick what type of subscription that you'd like to start with your Hulu account. But if you're already subscribed to something like Hulu with no ads or just the base Hulu account, which is $5.99 a month, then you need to scroll to the bottom of the page. And then towards the bottom of the page, it'll say your subscription. And then for me, it's the Hulu base plan. So then I'm going to click on Manage Plan. And then it gives you all of the different plan options right here. You can click this switch here to get Hulu plus Live TV, which is $54.99 a month. Or if you want, you can also get Hulu with no ads plus Live TV for $60.99 a month. And just flick the switch on, click Review Changes, and then it'll ask you to confirm or just show you what it's going to be charging you as you upgrade your account to Hulu plus Live TV. But then once you do that, you should be all set up and ready to go with that Hulu plus Live TV subscription. Again, this is if you already have an account and already have just a base Hulu subscription if you want to make that improvement. So those are the different ways you can go through signing up for Hulu with Live TV. I hope this video was helpful. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and I hope to see you guys back here for future videos.